What's going on, guys? Just a quick update on the build that I'm doing now. I posted a video on it yesterday or early this morning on the first part of what I was gonna do, and this is the second part now. I built the diff and all the internal parts already. That's installed, and this is where we're currently at. These shocks, there are different shocks from what comes with the car. The only reason I'm using this is because it has 80 weight all in it, so that should be very stiff for what I'm trying to do. And yeah, this is where we are so far. Parts all over the table as usual. Some people be like, but how do you find the right parts? Well, it's kind of challenging because, as you can see from the manual, that they're showing you the parts and stuff and how they go, but like the instructions and stuff, it's whatever. Good build, good parts. Some of the parts are kind of sturdy. The bearings are plastic, which means I'm gonna have to upgrade the bearings eventually. The diff looks like it can take out the power, but the only way we're gonna know is to find out. But this is the finished product so far. We have a lot more to go, so stay tuned and keep updated. I'll be making another post in probably in a couple hours, because more than likely I'm going to finish it today, more than likely. So just stay tuned. Remember to like, share and subscribe.